The power of love overrules the love of power. The world will know peace, said Mahatma Gandhi. A very good morning, Reverend Sister Manjusha, our principal, Reverend Sister Shiva, our manager, sisters, teachers, and one and all present here. Today, we the students of class 9A are here to ponder upon the life of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Bapu. He was born in his ancestral home on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and a political ethicist who employed the non-violent resistance to lead a successful campaign for India's independence from the Britishers. Today, we also celebrate the birth anniversary of another great leader, politician and statesman, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was also the second Prime Minister of India.
Gandhiji wasn't just a historical figure. He was indeed a real-life superhero who didn't need a cape to change the world. Now imagine if each one of us could tap into that superhero within us. What if we could make our school, our community, and the world a better place, just like Gandhiji did? That's what today is all about. Exploring how his philosophy can inspire the superheroes within us. As we proceed, we'll uncover the wisdom within Gandhiji's teachings. So let's embark on this journey of reflection, keeping in mind that the words we hear today are not mere words. They are a call to action, a call to be the change makers we all were born to be. Before we begin this enlightening journey, let us extend a warm welcome to our dear sisters and teachers. Kindly accept our small token of love and appreciation.